Pretty Mind Mindsets and Habits for Next Level Living. Chamie Townsend. Copyright 2024, Chamie Townsend. All rights reserved. No part of this book may be reproduced or used in any manner without the copyright owner's written permission, except for the use of quotations in a book review. ISBN 979-899-2256000. Printed in the United States of America. Who is Chamie? Before I dive into the good stuff, I thought I would introduce myself to the millions of readers who will be getting hold of my debut book. See how I'm already speaking that into existence? Sometimes I get so excited, I forget to fully introduce myself when I'm given the floor to speak. And the same thing occurred when I went back to review my first draft of this book. For you to get a better understanding of my thought process, you may need a glimpse into who I am. I promise not to make this an autobiographical detour, and I hope that it adds more value to the pages to come. I'm not gonna lie, I was a nerdy only child, tomboy that lived a Huxtable lifestyle. I read through books like Pac-Man, devoured dots, and willingly sat down and did hours of math problems because I found it mesmerizing. What could be more thrilling than going through a workbook full of math problems from cover to cover? My parents raised me in this educational lab that promoted exploration, thinking, and research. These habits were then further reinforced by attending private schools and going to college full-time while in the last 2 years of high school. Because I was socially awkward and had minimal friends, I was often mocked or misunderstood, which ended up teaching me to internalize my feelings and nerdy projects. Why bother sharing your love of odd things to your peers who wouldn't understand when you stray from their realm of mainstream conversation? Now, as a child, sometime in the first grade, I was given the name Chamie, short for chameleon. My closest family observed that I was a blend of personalities, matching facial expressions with my mood and environment, hence the connection to the color-changing lizard. Later in life, I would use this self-learned ability to adjust and blend into almost any environment. A little imposter syndrome mixed with a dash of code switching that helped build the foundation of who I am today. I will admit that during the post-George Floyd period, I've embraced more of being my true authentic self. But the code switching and blending into the masses is deep within my persona and still at times is activated subconsciously. At any rate, my journey from a nerdy Black girl to a full-time CEO of my own wealth services firm has allowed numerous opportunities for personal growth. And let me state that we often get the impression that personal growth is a bunch of puppies and rainbows while we run slow motion through a field of daisies. It is far from that. It's nights of crying and self-doubt and obstacles that you pray and push through, even when you're mad at God for taking you down the turbulent, less traveled path of learning from experience, packed full of failures and unfairness. The most amazing part is looking back through all your personal and professional storms and seeing what skills and opportunities arose from that less traveled path. During those darkest moments is where I learned the skills to keep going and figure things out. Side note, if you are an animal lover like me, you may often come across fun facts from the animal kingdom that you apply through life. Bison are big, powerful creatures that take a unique stance when faced with an imminent snowstorm. They will instinctively turn into the direction of the storm and walk through it head on. These bison, as some have coined it, embrace the suck and push through instead of spending more time running away from the storms of life. How amazing is that? What if all humans behave like this instead of running away or shutting down completely when life storms emerge on the horizon? Knowing I can take on life storms, combined with becoming secure in who I am has opened the door to the amazing life I'm currently experiencing. Innately, it is in my genetic composition to be a teacher and engineer, as well as a leader and a helpmate. With the direction and protection from God, I am the engineer of my life, and I'm taking the lead by writing this book to help teach others the shortcuts, what I've discovered and made part of my mindset and habits. I'll never forget after concluding a virtual workshop on the foundations of investing. One of the participants stayed on afterwards to have a conversation with me. She was bright eyed, with a coffee and cream complexion, and easily could have been my younger sister or play cousin. I enjoyed her thirst to understand the concepts that could help break the financial generational curses in her bloodline as she energetically engaged with me. Towards the end of our virtual exchange, she exclaimed, "I'm so happy to have met someone like you, who looks like me, to help me understand these concepts. You are like my wealthy auntie." It warmed my heart while making me laugh at the same time. It made me instantly think of my role as Aunt Chamie in a lot of my friends' lives, as well as my travels to Ghana, when people often refer to you as auntie in passing as a term of respect and endearment. I've been thinking about that ever since, but it wasn't until the words started to flow for this book that I fully embraced my new title as your wealthy auntie. I am wealthy in not only the financial sense, but in terms of love, freedom, time, health, and family. This holistic approach to wealth is truly what life is about. Now, let's start the journey into Pretty Mind so you too are living your best wealthy life on your terms.